Here we're at google.com/analytics, and if you're lucky you'll get to see this smiling face. And once you're here, you just want to click on Access Google Analytics at the top right. Google Analytics is important because you want to make sure that your SEO efforts are actually bringing in more traffic, more clicks, more sales, and Google Analytics is going to track all this stuff for you. After you've clicked on Access Google Analytics, just click Sign Up if you haven't already, and you'll get to choose between a website and a mobile application. First, you give the account a name, and your account can have multiple websites underneath it. So it could be the same as your website if you only have one account, one domain. And then you just type in your URL there. And then you're going to pick a category. So we're going to do jobs and education. And then you want to choose your time zone so that you know when your visitors are coming to your site. So you get more accurate information about the times of the day and the days of the week that people are clicking on your things and visiting your site. So then you click Get Tracking ID at the bottom. You read all those big words, and if you agree, click the button on the left. Sometimes it doesn't show up, like it won't let you scroll all the way down so you can see the button, but just click the one on the left at the very bottom of the screen. And then you'll get your tracking code. Now you can use this for any type of site. It doesn't have to be WordPress. I'm going to demo this on a WordPress site, and I'm going to show you a plugin that you can use so that it will paste it into the header of every single page on your site. So there's your code. You want to copy that. So you'd want to look for less than /head in your page if you're not running a WordPress site, and then just paste it above that closing head tag. Now, if you are using a WordPress site, you can go to your plugins and click Add New, type in Yoast, and you should see this Google Analytics by Yoast. Now, I've already installed it just to save us some time, but if you click on Settings, when you see it in your menu, and then you click on this Authenticate with your Google account, it should ask you for permission from your account. You just click Accept. And then it'll give you a little piece of code like it did with the Webmaster Tools account. You're going to copy that and then just paste it in the field, and then just click Save Authentication Code. And then go down to the bottom and click Save Changes, and it should change that Authenticate with your Google account to something that looks like this. And then you'll have all website data, and then that little UA dash, and then a bunch of numbers. Now if we go back to Google Analytics, you'll now have a dashboard. When we click on the back button after going into Google Analytics, you'll see your new dashboard here for your site. If we click on Property Settings, there's a few options you want to change in here. You want to select the default view to show all website data, and then you want to tick on this Enable Demographics and Interest Report, so that'll give you information about the age and gender and interest of your visitors to your site. Now, we want to link this up to Google Webmaster Tools so that you get even more data in one place. But before you link up the Webmaster Tools account, make sure you click Save Changes at the bottom. Otherwise, it won't Otherwise, it won't save the change you made when you ticked off the box next to the demographics reports. So once you've clicked Save Changes, then you can go about linking up your Webmaster Tools thing. So you just click the Edit button, and you should see the site that you set up when you did the Search Console setup. You just put a tick mark next to it, click Save, and then OK.